In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily create a DeepSeek account. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So for the first step is that you want to open the DeepSeek app. Once you do that, click on the sign up option right over here. And for the first step, you want to enter your email address. So once you're done entering your email address, now what you want to do is that you want to create a password. So easily create a password. So once you're done creating your password, what you want to do now is that you want to confirm the password you have created. And by confirming your password, I mean retyping in the password you have created. Now, once you're done doing that, what you want to do now is that you want to request a code, and you can easily do that by clicking on the send code right over here. You're going to have to then answer this quiz or question right over here in order to continue. So it says click on the smallest green cylinder in the picture. You can easily select the smallest, which is this one right over here, depending on the question you've been asked. Now, once it's done doing that, it's going to send a code to my email. So I'm just going to fast forward to the point where it sends the code to my email. But once the code has been sent to your email, you can easily go over to your Gmail. And once you're on your Gmail, you can then wait for your code right over here. As you can see, my code has been sent already. So I'm just going to easily long press on this code and click on the copy option right over here. I'm then going to click on the home option and go back over to DeepSeek. And I'm just going to long press again, or it's going to automatically give you the paste option. You can easily click on the paste or click on this number and it will automatically paste into that box. And you can easily click on the I confirm that I have read and consent blah blah. Click on the yes, and that's to confirm that you have read the terms of use of this app. If you want to give it a read, you can easily give it a read. Once you're done doing that, click on the sign up option right over here. You can easily click on the save option if it asks you this. And as you can see, you have successfully created a DeepSeek account. So that's how you can easily create a DeepSeek account. So with that said, thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.